have counted all the pages, thought I knew how this would end. There were seasons full of questions and prayers I whispered in the wind. I have walked through disappointment, carried burdens no one knew, but every step you never left me. You were writing something new. When I thought the story ended, you were turning one more page. There's one more chapter, one more sunrise, one more reason to lift my eyes, one more promise still unfolding, one more miracle worth beholding. The author hasn't closed the book, grace is still enough. My story isn't finished yet, because I'm held by love. Oh, yeah. Now I see the road before me, different than I thought I'd choose. But every closed and broken